How to fix iPhone 14 Pro Max green screen. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to fix the green screen issue on your iPhone 14 Pro Max. Whether it is a software glitch or a hardware problem, this step-by-step guide will help you on fix it. Step 1. First restart your iPhone. First, let's try a first restart. Quickly press and release the volume up button, then quickly press and release the volume down button. After that, press and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. This can often resolve minor software glitches. Step 2. Update iOS to the latest version. Ensure your iPhone is running the latest iOS version. Go to Settings, General, Software Update. If an update is available, download and install it. Apple has addressed green screen issues in updates like iOS 16.3. So keeping your software up to date is crucial. Step 3. Reset all settings. If the issue persists, consider resetting all settings. This won't delete your data, but will reset system settings like Wi-Fi passwords and wallpapers. Go to Settings, General, Transfer or Reset iPhone, Reset, and Reset all settings. Step 4. Restore your iPhone via iTunes or Finder. For more stubborn issues, you might need to restore your iPhone using iTunes or Finder. Connect your iPhone to your computer, open iTunes or Finder, and put your device into DFU mode. Then, follow the on-screen instructions to restore your iPhone. This process will delete all data. Ensure you have a backup before proceeding. If no one of these steps works, it's likely a hardware issue. Contact Apple support or visit an Apple store for professional assistance. And that's how you can fix the green screen issue on your iPhone 14 Pro Max. I hope this guide helps you resolve the problem and get your device back to normal. If you liked the video, please leave your like and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. Thanks.